traffic or low incidence use.
Vancouver, please be seated for takeoff. Thank you. has been our pleasure taking care of you today, and we hope to see you again soon. If Singapore is home, a very warm welcome.